Hello students, hope you are all well and you have gone through the previous lectures. Now today in electrostatic I will discuss about next topic is electric field intensity. It is also called electric field or electric field strength. It is denoted by capital E. It is a vector quantity, so it is all denoted by vector capital E. According to definition, electric field intensity is defined as the electrostatic force experienced by a positive unit test charge when it is placed at that point. This definition is written over here, and this is, I already told that it is a vector quantity. Now mathematically we can write that we want to find the electric field due to this charge, Q charge at this point. Now, so mathematically force experienced at a distance are mathematically what we can write, force experienced by this due to this Q charge at this point, according to Coulomb's law, magnitude of the force F equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught by R square. So this is the force experienced by this Q naught charge when it is placed at r distance from this Q charge. Now, so electric field mathematical form E equal to F by Q naught. Here Q naught is positive test charge. So this is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught by R square into Q naught. So this is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. This is the electric field due to a plus Q point charge at a distance r at this point. This is the expression. In simple mathematically we can write that vector E electric field equal to A by Q naught. This is the mathematical form of to find an electric field. Specifically we can write also vector E equal to limit Q naught tends to 0 vector A by Q naught. This is also a mathematical form. Here Q naught tends to 0, it means Q naught is a test charge and it should be very small compared to this charge, source charge plus Q. That's why we are using this form, limit Q naught tends to 0. And this is the expression of electric field due to plus Q charge at distance r. This is the expression, or we can say that this is the expression of electric field due to a point charge at r distance. Electric field is a vector quantity, so it is also, we can apply the superposition principle to find the electric field at a particular Q charge due to surrounding a system of charges. So according to superposition principle, we can also write vector E equal to E1 plus E2 plus E3 plus E4 like that. This. We already discussed the superposition principle of electrostatic force. Same way you can derive this formula also. Now, what is electric fields of lines. When a source charge is placed in a region, suppose we are placing a source charge plus Q, then surrounding this region a field is generated. That field is called electric field. Now if we place a plus positive test charge in this very close to this plus Q charge, what will happen? As this is positive charge, this is a positive test charge, so it experiences a repulsive force. Due to this repulsive force, what will happen? This Q charge is free. It's very small, so it is free to experience this Coulomb's repulsive force. So it will move along this direction, maybe along this direction. So this is due to electric fields lines. Now we cannot visualize this electric field lines. It is imaginary concept. Now if another way we can define the electric field lines, that electric field lines is always not a straight line. It may be a curve. If electric field lines like this curve, then how to find electric field? Now we have to draw a tangent at this point. This tangent gives the direction of electric field lines at this point. If we want to find the electric field lines here, what we have to do? We have to draw a tangent at this point. So electric field at this point, let this point be denoted by Q. The electric field at this point is along this direction. Is always tangent to a curve at any point. This is the direction of electric field. And in case of straight line, it is simply direction of along the straight line. So this is the concept of electric field lines. So we have drawn some electric field lines due to a isolated positive charge, isolated negative charge. When two positive charges are close to each other, when two negative, one positive and one negative charge are close to each other. What is the configuration of electric field line? This is the electric field line due to a positive charge body. Here you have to remember that electric field line starting from positive charge and terminate at the negative charge. So this is the electric field lines due to a positive charge. This shows the electric field lines. This is the electric field lines due to a negatively charged body. All the electric field lines are terminating on this negatively charged body. This is the electric field lines due to two positively charged which are close to each other, and due to these field lines, these positively charged are experience repulsive force on each other. And this is the electric configuration of electric field lines due to a positive charge body and negatively charged body when both are placed very close to each other. So here you can see that positive electric field lines starting from positive charge and terminating at negative charge. So this is the configuration of electric field lines due to one positive charge and one negative charge when they are very close to each other. This is the electric concept of electric field lines, and this is the configuration of how electric field lines produced due to isolated positive charge, isolated negative charge, when two positively charged are close to each other, when one positive charge and one negative charge are close to each other. Now, as from this formula, we can also find the SI unit of electric field. By using this formula, we can easily find the SI unit of electric field. Unit of force in SI system is, we know, Newton, and unit of charge in SI system we know Coulomb. So in SI system, unit of electric field is Newton per Coulomb. or you can write Newton Coulomb to the power -1. Similarly, we can find also dimensional formula of electric field by using this formula. How to find? We have to use that formula. Don't memorize this. You have to memorize this formula only. So what is the dimensional formula of electric field? We have to use this formula. Dimensional formula of force we know, m to the power 1, L to the power 1, T to the power -2. And dimensional formula of charge we already discussed in previous lecture, that m to the power 0, L to the power 0, T to the power 1, A to the power 1. A means ampere. So dimensional formula of electric field is m to the power 1, L to the power 1, T to the power -3, A to the power 1. So this is the dimensional formula of electric field. So you just memorize this formula, don't memorize this dimensional formula. By memorize this formula, you can easily derive the dimensional formula of electric field. So this is the dimensional formula SI unit of electric field. Tomorrow I will discuss about some properties of electric field. So for time being, just go through this video, and if you have any doubt or any question, you can ask me. I will explain again in next class. Okay, thank you.